Scalable data management solutions from Solid Edge help users face the challenges of increasingly complex products and processes. Teamcenter integration for Solid Edge leverages the best-in-class product lifecycle management tools of Teamcenter to address many of these challenges. Dynamic visualization allows the rapid generation of reports which appear in both table and graphical forms. These reports help users make decisions faster by ensuring you're using the right information at the right time. Here we'll create a report which queries parts from a particular supplier that are made in a certain material. To start, we simply select the desired columns. We can filter as many columns as needed. A rule is created with a list of components matching the defined criteria, and when run, appropriate temporary colors are applied. We can also use the rule to select components. These rules can then be saved and shared with others. Reports can also be imported. Here we have a rule that filters and highlights components owned by specific users. A different color is used for each corresponding user. We'll edit the rule for Pat and modify it to only include the components with a status of work in progress and that have been modified after a certain date. Applying the rule shows the filtered parts in orange and that Pat is currently working on this switch box. Teamcenter and Solid Edge continue to make further improvements to ensure more efficient data reuse, saving time and rework. In this example, 3D Finite is used to search our extensive supplier catalogs and find a new warning light switch to incorporate into the design. However, since an identical version of this part already exists in our Teamcenter database, it intelligently and automatically places the existing released part into the assembly instead of creating a new item in Teamcenter. Also new is better integration with Teamcenter projects and a new Assign Project ID capability where we can assign and unassign project IDs to multiple documents simultaneously. Turning our attention to Solid Edge's built-in data management functionalities, we can see that dynamic visualization is available here too. With dynamic visualization, we'll perform a quick material check on our Fiamma espresso machine to confirm the right materials are assigned to each part. Once the report is run, we can see an issue. The two small handles at the rear of the design are colored red, indicating they are currently defined as aluminum, but they should be green in this case, signifying they are stainless steel. To correct this, we'll ask the design team to revise the handles and correct the material definition. The Update Status Info command forces an update on our design and retrieves information, including new revisions. The Pathfinder then clearly illustrates the revisions are available. The Get Latest command then provides a visual cue to users working in a collaborative environment and allows us to update the assembly by replacing the older revisions with the very latest. Running dynamic visualization again allows for a quick visual check and ensures everything is now in order. A modernized, powerful File Properties dialog makes it even easier to search for, maintain, and manage document properties and metadata. We can filter the information to show only the editable properties and add new ones. In this case, a custom property to define the finish for the handle. The newly added 3D Find It and Replace Part with 3D Find It commands allow users to streamline the process by finding 3D components by searching supplier catalogs for parts that are similar in shape to the selected model. We can see this in action here as we look for alternatives to the rubber foot. Once we have chosen the replacement part, we can change the parameters if needed, and then at the click of a button replace it in our assembly. The ability to use Pack and Go directly from Windows Explorer saves time if the desired assembly isn't already open. These enhancements in Solid Edge's scalable suite of data management capabilities, along with many others, streamline and simplify the management of design data, improve collaboration, and help reduce time to market.